1. I find that the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson. This quote underscores the relationship between effort and fortune. Jefferson suggests that what we often perceive as luck is not merely a serendipitous event, but the result of persistent hard work. It reminds us that success is within reach if we're willing to put in the effort. 2. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. George Adair. Adair's words illuminate the barrier fear imposes between us and our desires. This quote is a powerful reminder that overcoming fear is a necessary step toward achieving our dreams. It encourages us to confront what scares us, suggesting that true fulfillment lies beyond the confines of our comfort zones. 3. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. C.S. Lewis. Lewis highlights the transformative power of adversity. This insight suggests that challenges are not mere obstacles, but opportunities that shape us for greater purposes. It's a comforting reminder that our struggles today can lead to significant achievements and a remarkable future, urging us to persevere through difficulties. 4. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Roy T. Bennett. Bennett inspires us to follow our passions rather than succumb to our fears. This quote emphasizes the importance of prioritizing our heart's aspirations over the doubts in our minds, suggesting that courage and determination are key to achieving our dreams. 5. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Roosevelt's words serve as a potent reminder of the power of self-belief in the journey toward achieving our goals. This quote suggests that the foundation of success lies not in the external circumstances, but in our internal conviction, encouraging us to maintain a positive mindset as we pursue our aspirations. 6. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Emerson emphasizes the role of personal choice in determining our destiny. This quote encourages us to take active control of our lives, suggesting that our future is shaped not by fate, but by the decisions we make and the paths we choose to follow. 7. You don't need to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. King advocates for taking action despite uncertainty. This quote is a powerful reminder that progress often begins with a single step, encouraging us to move forward in our endeavors even when the full path isn't visible, emphasizing faith and action over clarity. 8. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Walt Disney. Disney underscores the critical importance of action over discourse. This quote reminds us that dreams and goals remain intangible until we take concrete steps to realize them. It's a call to action, emphasizing that nothing happens without initiative, urging us to move from planning to execution. 9. Do what you can with all you have, wherever you are. Theodore Roosevelt. Roosevelt's words encourage resourcefulness and resilience. This quote inspires us to make the most of our current circumstances, no matter how limited they may seem. It's a powerful reminder that our potential to make a difference doesn't depend on perfect conditions, but on our willingness to act with whatever resources we have at hand. 10. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Chinese proverb. This proverb teaches us about the value of the present moment for initiating change or improvement. It highlights that while past opportunities might have been missed, the present offers a new chance for action. It's a compelling reminder to start now, not lamenting what wasn't done, but focusing on what can still be achieved. 11. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Confucius. Confucius emphasizes persistence over speed. This quote encourages us to keep moving forward, regardless of our pace, underlining that continuous effort, not the rate of progress, is key to achieving long-term goals. It's a testament to the power of steadfastness in the face of challenges. 12. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston S. Churchill. Churchill speaks to the transient nature of success and failure. This quote reassures us that neither outcome should deter our efforts. Instead, the true measure of achievement lies in our persistence and bravery to press on, highlighting resilience as the cornerstone of genuine success. 13. Optimism is the one quality more associated with success and happiness than any other. Brian Tracy. Tracy identifies optimism as a crucial factor for achieving success and happiness. This quote suggests that a positive outlook can significantly impact our ability to reach our goals and enjoy life, encouraging us to cultivate a mindset that looks for opportunities in every situation. 14. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Tony Robbins. Robbins highlights the transformative power of goal setting. This quote inspires us to articulate our dreams and aspirations, emphasizing that defining clear objectives is the foundation for making our desired future a tangible reality, thereby urging us to take the crucial first step of goal setting in our journey towards success. 15. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Walt Whitman. Whitman's metaphorical advice encourages optimism. By focusing on the positive and moving towards it, the negative aspects of life, or the shadows, naturally diminish in our perception. It's a poetic reminder of the power of attitude in shaping our experience, urging us to seek the light in every situation. 16. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Roosevelt emphasizes the power of conviction in our aspirations. This insight suggests that the realization of our dreams begins with the belief in their potential. It's an invitation to embrace our visions with confidence, affirming that faith in what we dream to achieve is a crucial step toward making those dreams a tangible reality. 17. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Henry David Thoreau. Thoreau encourages us to pursue our dreams with certainty and purpose. This call to action serves as a reminder that achieving our dreams starts with the courage to take the first steps towards them, urging us to embody the life we envision for ourselves with confidence and determination. 18. I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Jimmy Dean. Dean underscores the importance of adaptability in achieving our goals. This quote reminds us that while external conditions may be beyond our control, our responses to them are not. It's a compelling call to proactive adjustment and resilience in the pursuit of our objectives. 19. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Roosevelt challenges us to confront our self-imposed limitations. This quote illuminates the idea that our greatest barrier to future achievements lies in today's uncertainties. It's an encouragement to push beyond our current hesitations, advocating for a mindset of possibility and self-belief as keys to unlocking our potential. 20. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. Charles R. Swindoll. Swindoll emphasizes the power of perception and response over circumstance. This perspective invites us to take control of our reactions, suggesting that our attitude and actions toward life's events are far more influential than the events themselves. It's a powerful reminder of the agency we hold in crafting our life's narrative.